In regard to worshiping the Asha Vigraha form, you have explained that if one receives a mantra from a spiritual master is not bona fide, that mantra has no effect. So it's something I'd like to ask, if one is worshiping a deity, the instructions of a spiritual master is not bona fide, so that deity will have the potency of the Supreme Lord.
Well, first of all thing is that if the spiritual master is not bona fide, how his mantra can be bona fide? Your statement is contradictory. If you say the spiritual master is not bona fide, then how his mantra becomes bona fide? If he is bona fide, then his mantra is bona fide.
So why is receiving instruction to worship the deity and the spiritual master not bona fide, then the deity also not bona fide?
I do not follow what it is.
His idea is that if one receives a mantra from a spiritual master, if the spiritual master is not bona fide,
Then there is no question of mantra, there is no question of worshipping deity. These are all bogus things. If you are not, just like here is a young medical man, if he has not received instruction from a bona fide medical college, so what is the value of his medical being? What is called? What is the technical name? Quack. Quack is not a medical name. However, he may show all this, red bottles, white bottles. There is a Bengali proverb, knowledge all justly in doctor. One stethoscope, knowledge, and some bottles, jar, and talking all nonsense, he becomes a doctor. That means the quack doctor, not a qualified doctor, he knows what is what. The knowledge all justly in doctor. In Bengali they say. And mostly in villages they go on like that. But of course they have got some experience. I know in Allahabad there was a doctor, Kabir, Dr. Kabir, and because in my previous household life I was a chemist and dentist, I was supplying medicine, so it was my custom. So he had, this Dr. Kabir was a compounder, later on he practiced. So he had very, very big price. He was my biggest customer. He was purchasing medicine like anything. But he had experience. He learned from an experienced doctor. He cannot be called a bogus because whatever he learned. But generally, one who is not a bona fide doctor is called a quack. So anything experience, because it's not that you have to go to the main college. If you are trained under a bona fide doctor, then also you can get the quality of a doctor. Similarly, the whole thing is that vijnanatham sa gurumeva udaschet. One should go to the bona fide spiritual master to learn this transcendental science.